guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am super excited. I am going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY. I'm excited for this because you can keep this out all year round. And also, I'm also so excited because I'm going to show you guys how to save money by shopping online. This company called Top Cashback contacted me and they were generous enough to send me over $100 to shop online at the Dollar Tree. Yes, you guys, $100 at the Dollar Tree. That is 100 things. And I was super excited because when you shop through their app, you just download your app on your phone. You can also do this over your computer. So if you don't have a smartphone, you can do this on the computer as well. And obviously some people like a bigger screen and stuff like that. But anyways, so you just sign up. It's free to sign up. There is a ton of stores online where you can get money back just from shopping through Top Cashback. You can get 4% back just by shopping at the Dollar Tree. You guys, come on, we all shop at the Dollar Tree. We all spend our $80, $90, and you can do store pickup, which is absolutely free because their shipping through Dollar Tree is so much money if it's not like a flat rate shipping that day. So anyways, I'm really excited because there's sometimes when you go to the Dollar Tree and you buy like 10 of something or 15 of something, especially if you're doing crafts. So if you're like a crafter and you go to the Dollar Tree and they don't have everything you want, like it's pretty disappointing. But you can shop in bulk on the Dollar Tree. So you can just click the Top Cashback app, click Dollar Tree, save 4% back just by shopping online. And then they also have this thing called Pick and Pack. If you go to the search bar at the Dollar Tree and type in Pick and Pack, you can buy things in bundles of 4 versus bundles of things of like 24 and 36. So even if there's just a couple things that you want, you don't have to buy the extravagant amount. So it will give you like a list of things that you can buy in smaller amounts. I was kind of excited because I am going to be doing a ton of Dollar Tree DIYs. So you can get a lot of like the floral and like the little floral picks, and you can get succulents, and you can get like all kinds of stuff in bundles of like 24. So like we love buying succulents, you guys, and I know that you don't just buy 2 or 3, you go and buy 10, or you go and buy all of them. And then this way you don't even have to worry if it's at the store or not. So I think this is super cool. Once you check out, Top Cashback does everything for you. So once you check out of your website, it will send you over an email saying Top Cashback has received this, and then you'll have a pending amount in a few hours, if not the next day, telling you how much money that you're going to receive back. It goes right to PayPal, so then you can just keep shopping with your money that you're getting back for absolutely for free. So I am enjoying this app. I have actually used this 3 times already since I've downloaded it. I have got a couple dollars back from Under Armour. I've got a couple dollars back from Walmart and a couple dollars back from Dick's Sporting Goods. So yes, there's like Walmart, Target. I mean, unbelievable amounts of stores, especially if you just shop online. Like, it is amazing. Just type in whatever store you're looking for. I was super excited to do this. And also through November 28th, if you sign up, like I said, it is absolutely free. When you spend your first $25 at any store you possibly want, Top Cashback is going to give you $5 back, and that is through November 28th. If you do want to sign up, I will leave my link in the description box below so you can just go ahead and click that little link right there and sign up for absolutely for free. So now I'm going to jump right in my Dollar Tree DIY. I'm going to show you how I made these cute little succulent planters with tuna fish cans, clothespins, moss, and succulents. So I did make some homemade stain just using some acrylic brown paint and just some water. And then this took the longest because I had to paint every single one of these clothespins. It didn't give it a ton of color, but I just wanted it a little bit stained just so it was a little bit darker brown.
Giving up your dreams to your silly demons. We're diamonds in the dust, oh why can't you see it?
And then once the clothespins were dry, you just had to clamp them right onto the can. This was such an easy DIY to do, but I think these look so cute in the end. You do need about 18 clothespins per tuna fish can, and then you also need some moss, and then I used succulents. I didn't get these ones from the Dollar Tree because they were sold out, but knowing that you can definitely buy succulents online at the Dollar Tree, I think that is incredible. But I think these turned out so cute, and it only cost about $4 to make per can if you buy the succulents through the dollar store, which is only $1 a piece.
Keep getting under your thick skin, trying on not building a nest in your weaknesses, swimming around in your bloodstream.
And then once all the clothespins were on, I probably should have spray painted the cans just because you can see some of the metal through, but I still think this looks really, really cute. And then I just added all the moss. Like I said, I got this from the Dollar Tree as well. And then you just add your succulents once this is finished. I just had like smaller succulents, so I was able to add 2 to 3 in each of them, but I think these are just adorable. And that is it for my DIY, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I think these turned out so cute, and this was so quick and easy to make. Also, make sure you check out the link below to sign up for Top Cash Back so you can start earning money by shopping online. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.